Basics of door levers. Many people may be confused about choosing door levers. We will go over everything you need to consider, like installation, function, and more. Let us put on the keyed entry lock first. Installation video of DL01 packet. Then we will go on introduction of types of function. First, keyed entry function, which is wrote as ET lock. The keyed entry function is ideal for entrance doors, front doors, bedrooms, bathrooms, interior locking doors, and other privacy needs. The door lever can be locked inside and opened outside with keys. Each knob comes with 3 keys. Second, privacy function, which is wrote as BK lock. The privacy bed function is ideal for bathrooms, bedrooms, and any room where privacy is needed. Can be locked using the thumb turn button function from inside, and be unlocked from the outside without keys. In emergency, press and turn the keyhole on outside knob. Third, passage function, which is wrote as PS lock. The passage hole closet function is ideal for doors in hallways, closets, and other rooms where a key is not necessary. The lock is freely operational from both sides of the door at all times. Fourth, dummy function, which is wrote as DM lock. The inactive function on handles, knobs, and levers is used on doors where only a pull is needed. No latch and lock.